Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the leather for cracks, stretched holes, or loose stitching, because knowing the failure mode directs the fix. Next, remove the strap, hold the case steady, compress the spring bar with a 1.5 2mm tool, and ease it out to protect the lug holes. Once the bar is free, lay the strap flat. Examine the keeper and buckle for corrosion or loosened stitches so you can decide whether to replace parts or perform localized repairs. You'll clean and stabilize the leather before any structural work. Use saddle soap sparingly and let it dry to avoid rot. If the leather delaminated, apply thin contact cement between layers, press and clamp for 20 to 30 minutes so fibers rebond. Replace any worn spring bars or a corroded buckle. This prevents repeat failures. Once hardware is ready, thread the strap through the buckle, align holes, and test tension so the watch sits securely without pinching. You reattach by compressing the spring bar, seating one end in the lug, then flexing the opposite end into place while confirming both shoulders click into their holes. Once attached, make sure the strap aligns with the case and the buckle runs smoothly. Wear the watch briefly to test comfort and security. If you feel uneven tension or hear creaks, stop and reseat the bar. If recurring, swap to a thicker or longer spring bar or restitch the loose area. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.